Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa et Albatraoz. C'est parti!
Let me tell you all a story about a mouse named Lori. Yeah, Lori was a mouse in a big brown house. She called herself the hoe with the money, money flow. But fuck that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. Yeah, Lori said she was a mouse. Smoked the cheese and like a owl. Money, 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 ho. Chinka, 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 flow. Lori was a witch. Yeah, a sneaky little bitch. So fuck that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. Why?